Hello my little people. Today we're going to speak about old energy again. And then old energy as a center. When one sees old energy as being a center, it's the center that connects above to below, left to right. And as being the center that connects all, it is also the center from which all comes forth and to which all will return. So old energy, amongst other things, is the connection, that what connects, that from which all comes forth and that to which all will return. So old energy in a way is the center point. And this center point, it all starts with it, as well as it all ends with it. Yet, it doesn't really end, as old energy is, was, and will be eternal. Bye.